Hi, Vinas. Hope you're doing good and great. So this is Dr. Srikanth from Team MDS Conquer and the Dental Dudes. So coming to the topic, so last few days, particularly the last 1 to 2 weeks, I met so many of you in my clinic as well as in the offline centers, and many of you on the WhatsApp and on the phone calls. Like after talking with you, interacting with you about your future plans after completing your masters, I came to a conclusion that most of you are unaware of the good opportunities that are present around you. That is maybe a lack of the communication gap or the lack of the transforming media gap. You're not aware of things, good opportunities around you. So finally, the team MDS Conquer has taken a call that we have to do something to help all the alumni students of MDS Conquer or the active participants of the dental dude groups, or of course we need to help our contribution, we need to put our contribution to the dental fraternity so that best people has to stay at the best positions. Okay, so we are here to help you out with all the most important updates and the job opportunities that are available throughout the country, either for the BDS or for the MDS. Okay, and we are going to disclose all the details, and we are in a position, or we are planning to help you out at the best. Okay, so keeping that in mind, so there is one more update recently from KGMC Lucknow, that is your senior residents jobs are available for the people who are done with their MDS. So I'll try to list out all important things in this particular video, and I'll try to attach the brochure link in the description box. Similarly, I'll try to attach the MDS Conquer group link also, the Telegram group link also, so that you can join the group for all the updates. And we are planning to start a new group that is exclusively the Dental Dudes group, which includes all the groups. Regularly we have the WhatsApp dude groups like Endo Dudes. We have two groups, surgery dudes, OS dudes, prosto dudes, pedo, and every subject we have a dudes group. So now we are planning to start a new dental dudes group exclusively for the PZ people to get all the updates about the latest informations, opportunities, XYZ available for the future in the dentistry. So all the links will be posted in the description part, and you can click on the link and be a part of that. Make sure you try to subscribe this particular channel so that you'll get your regular updates related to the examinations, opportunities, XYZ related to the dental fraternity. Okay, the most important thing, the application was open long back, but many of you are unaware of this, but the last date for the application is still 18th. You have a week to finish the application form if you're interested in this particular opportunity. So admit cards will be released on 22nd October, and the examination is going to be on 26th October. So make sure the exam has 15 days from now. You have 2 weeks time, and the center is going to be the Lucknow, and the results will be announced on the website. Right, so exam is already discussed. It is 26th October, and it's going to be in the afternoon. It's going to be for 1 hour. Okay, so make sure you try to read every important information that is given in the brochure. And coming to the mode of examination, it's going to be an MCQ based exam. You'll have 60 questions, and it's being divided into 2 sections like your NEET. Okay, that is session A is going to contain 40 questions which are at the BDS level. So you require a general preparation almost similar to that of the NEET, which includes focusing only on the biostatistics, medical ethics, and evidence-based medicine or dentistry. They may ask questions, means the most of your questions will move around the community part related to the BDS according to the information what they have disclosed. And the second 20 questions out of 60 will be focusing on specialization. It will be different for different specialization. If it is like perio, it will be more on the periodontal aspect. So you should be very familiar with all your basics of your MDS. Each question is going to carry 1 correct answer. There is no negative marking, and the mode of examination is English. Very simple. The most important thing is this, that is you have 60 questions, 40 from BDS level, 20 from MDS level, and BDS level mostly will be focusing on biostats, medical ethics, that is the dental ethics, as well as the evidence-based medicine or evidence-based dentistry. Next goes the available vacancies. Okay, so you have 2 vacancies in ortho. one for OBC and one for SC, and you have one vacancy for surgery, that is for SC, and you have 4 vacancies for perio, 1 for open category, 2 for OBC, and 1 for EWS. You have 2 vacancies for prosto, that is 1 for OC and 1 for EWS, and you have 3 vacancies for oral pathology. Like I see most of my oral pathology students after finishing their masters keep on stressing me, what are the options available, XYZ. So I think, like, compared to any other branch, this is a golden opportunity. You have 2 unreserved seats in open category for oral path and 1 for OBC, and total 3 seats. So it's a golden opportunity for all oral pathology people to take a call, because you know the prestigious tagline of KGMC. Okay, so total you have 12 vacancies. Okay, so make sure, if you're interested in this, please try to apply this. Before applying, make sure you see the brochure, top to bottom details, how the selection will be done, XYZ, a few other valid information which is really required that you need to check before you apply for this particular examination. If you need any further details, of course, I'll always be available for you to help you out in the best way. Signing off, Dr. Srikanth from Team MDS Conquer and the Dental Dudes. Bye, take care, and stay positive.